From Beginner to English Fluency in 100 Days. Becoming fluent in a new language is a journey that requires dedication and strategic planning. For beginners at A2 level, the goal of achieving fluency in just 100 days might seem ambitious, but with a natural immersion approach and the right resources, it's entirely achievable. In this video, I'll give you a clear action plan outlining a comprehensive strategy that focuses on immersion, communication, and cultural exposure to help take you from beginner to fluency. A beginner would be someone who can only communicate basic ideas and speaks with hesitation. Are you ready? Let's go. Days 1 to 10. Strengthen your foundation. In the first 10 days, you need to focus on 4 things. 1. English assessment. On day 1, begin by evaluating your current English skills. Identify your strengths and areas that need improvement. This self-awareness will guide your learning journey. Consider hiring a native speaker tutor to assess you. You must know where you're currently at. So basically, Day 2 doesn't start until you've been assessed. Goal setting. Set realistic short and long-term goals. What do you want to achieve by day 10, day 30, day 60, and so forth? These could include improving speaking fluency, expanding vocabulary, and understanding various accents. 3. Vocabulary expansion. Focus on learning new words and phrases naturally. Read short stories or books, articles or blogs that genuinely interest you. Make note of unfamiliar words and try to infer their meanings from context. 4. Listening exposure. Start immersing yourself in English audio content. Listen to podcasts, audiobooks, and radio shows on topics you enjoy. This will help you get accustomed to different accents and improve your listening comprehension. Days 11 to 30. Immersion and interaction. There are 4 things to focus on during days 11 to 30. 1. Join Smart and Easy English on Clubhouse. Embrace technology for immersion. Join rooms on Clubhouse, particularly Smart and Easy English. Engage in conversations, discussions, and debates to improve your speaking and listening skills. 2. Interactive learning. Participate actively in discussions. Don't be afraid to share your thoughts and opinions. This environment encourages natural communication and helps you gain confidence. 3. Cultural engagement. Immerse yourself in English speaking culture. Watch movies, TV shows, and documentaries. This exposure enhances your language skills and deepens your understanding of cultural nuances. Native speaker tutor. Consider hiring a native speaker tutor during and after these 100 days. Regular sessions can provide personalized guidance, correct pronunciation and grammatical speaking errors, and offer valuable feedback. Days 31 to 60. Real-life application. During days 31 to 60, focus on the following 3 things. 1. Regular practice. Maintain a daily routine of joining Clubhouse rooms and engaging in conversations. The more you participate, the more natural your English communication will become. 2. Reading and listening. Continue reading and listening to various materials, but challenge yourself with more complex content. This exposure to diverse language structures and vocabulary will enhance your language skills. 3. English in context. Pay attention to how words and phrases are used in different situations. This will help you grasp their meaning and usage naturally, without the need for formal grammar study. Days 61 to 90. Refinement and adaptation. During days 61 to 90, focus on the following 3 things. 1. Pronunciation. Concentrate on improving your pronunciation. Listen closely to how native speakers pronounce words and mimic their intonation and rhythm. Use any of our many videos for pronunciation and accent training, since they're all narrated by me, an American native speaker. 2. Varied topics. Explore clubhouse rooms that cover a range of topics, or suggest a topic of your own when it's your turn to speak on stage. This will expand your vocabulary and improve your ability to express yourself on different subjects. 3. Storytelling practice. Share personal experiences and stories during clubhouse discussions and elsewhere. This not only enhances your speaking skills, but also allows you to connect with others on a deeper level. Days 91 to 100. Final touches. During days 91 to 100, the home stretch, focus on the following 3 things. 1. Comprehensive review. Reflect on your journey so far. Celebrate your progress and recognize areas where you've improved. 2. Mock conversations. Simulate real-life situations in your mind and practice responding in English. This mental rehearsal will help you react more naturally in actual conversations. 3. Ongoing engagement. Even after the 100-day mark, keep engaging with the English language. Continue participating in clubhouse discussions, watching movies, and reading in English. Achieving fluency within 100 days is a challenging yet attainable goal when approached with a natural immersion strategy. By actively participating in English conversations on platforms like Clubhouse, immersing yourself in English media, and seeking cultural exposure, you'll develop the language skills and confidence needed to communicate effectively. Hiring a native speaker tutor can further enhance your learning experience. Remember, English fluency is an ongoing journey, and the foundation you build during these 100 days will continue to serve you well as you progress further in your English language skills. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful,